Welcome to my channel. Today, we will discuss 7 best herbs that protect your eyes and repair vision like magic. Do you ever experience tired, dry eyes after a long day of screen time? No worries, you're on the right place. Discover 7 herbs and foods that ease eye strain and boost vision health. Learn how to incorporate these remedies for brighter, clearer eyes. Number 1. Eye Bright. Eye Bright is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce redness and irritation in the eyes. It contains antioxidants that protect eye cells from damage caused by free radicals. This herb has been traditionally used to alleviate eye strain and discomfort, making it a natural choice for those who spend long hours staring at screens. Number 2. Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba enhances blood circulation, including to the retina, which supports overall eye health. By improving blood flow, it ensures that the retina receives adequate oxygen and nutrients, which are essential for maintaining clear vision and preventing age-related decline. Number 3. Bilberry. Bilberry is rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that strengthen blood vessels in the eyes and improve night vision. Studies have shown that regular consumption of bilberry can enhance the eye's ability to adapt to low light conditions, making it particularly beneficial for those who struggle with night vision. Number 4. Turmeric. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, has potent anti-inflammatory properties. It helps reduce inflammation in the eyes, which can alleviate symptoms of eye strain such as redness and discomfort. Turmeric also supports brain-derived neurotrophic factor (BDNF) production, which promotes the growth and survival of neurons, including those responsible for vision. Number 5. Dandelion. Dandelion greens are packed with vitamins A, C, and E, as well as minerals like zinc and magnesium, all of which are essential for maintaining healthy eyesight. Vitamin A is particularly important for good vision, especially in low-light conditions, while vitamin C acts as an antioxidant that protects the eyes from oxidative stress. Number 6. Golden Seal. Golden Seal contains berberine, a compound known for its antimicrobial properties. It helps protect the eyes from infections and supports the health of the cornea, the eye's protective outer layer. Golden Seal is often used in eye drops to treat infections and reduce inflammation. 7. Saffron. Contains crocin and safranol, carotenoids that protect the macula, the central part of the retina responsible for detailed central vision. These compounds help prevent damage to macular cells caused by oxidative stress and age-related degeneration, thereby supporting overall eye health. Thanks for watching. Remember these tips for healthier eyes. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Take care of your vision and stay well.